Hi, good day. M6423. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Joy Garcia. I'm 35 years old. I'm single. My religion is Catholic. I have three kids. The first one is 17, and then the second one is 16, and the last one is 10. I work in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 7 months. I take care of two babies, age of zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.4. And also I take care of um, 34 of age, bedridden.
Okay. And other household chores, you are the one who do all the household chores, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have also experience in Qatar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many years do you work in Qatar?
I work in Qatar 2 years and 2 months. Also, I clean household, cleaning, ironing, washing, clean the house.
Okay. So you have experience being a helper in Qatar, but you are not a domestic helper. You are an
Yes,
on-call cleaner,
yes,
right? And you do some household chores, and also sometimes you're taking care of the children, right?
yes, sir.
From age 3 to 4, and
Yes, sir.
also an elderly 60 above.
Yes, sir.
So you have experience taking care of an elderly.
Yes, sir.
And you also have experience taking care of a newborn, which is in the Dammam, Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 7 months.
Yes, sir.
The first one is 0 to 4 years old, and the other one is 0 to 2 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
You already said. And also taking care of a bedridden, which is 32 years old.
Yes, sir.
So you have a lot of experience taking care of bedridden, newborn, and also elderly,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Um, I check the temperature or feed the baby and change the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I called my sir and mom. I tell them the baby won't stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my kids and to buy a um, lot for house.
House and lot, to buy some house and lot.
Yes.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more than.
So it is okay to you to extended your
Yes,
contract.
sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
You don't have any idea. But are you willing to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I watched YouTube or the for
Watch in YouTube.
yes,
And you could also read some cookbooks, right?
yes,
And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
yes,
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay, sir. Include the dog.
Include or you said you are afraid of dogs, right? So except from
Except
dog.
dog.
Okay, so it is okay to you to taking care of cats like that,
Yes,
fish.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
It's okay, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my beloved employer, um, please hire me because because I am honest and trustworthy and responsible, hardworking. Thank you.
Okay, can you promise also to take good care of your their children as your own,
Yes, sir.
and also follow the rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Joy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.